ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? እሸቱ ምትኩ ነኝ ከሉሲ ብሪጅ አካዳሚ የ10ኛ ክፍል የሂሳብ መምህር። Okay? All right. Today we are going to learn about operations of polynomial expressions, especially addition, subtraction, and multiplication. We will see this one on the operation of polynomial expression. Good. ከዛ በፊት ግን እንደተለመደው ዌብሳይታችን lucyBridgeAcademy.com እየገባችሁ አጫጭር ኖቶችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ የተለያዩ የጥያቄ ባንኮችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ከ5 ቋንቋዎች በላይ መረዳት የሚያስችላችሁ የራሳችሁ የሆነ ፐርሰናላይዝድ AI አሲስታንስ ፕላትፎርም አለ። ስለዚህ አሁኑኑ ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ጆይን ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። Thank you. Operation on polynomial functions, adding and subtracting a polynomial function, okay? A polynomial are added and subtracted by combining like terms. Like terms contain the same variable, factors, and exponents. Just addition and subtraction is not difficult, right? Just adding the two polynomial functions, f and g. What's the first step is collecting like terms, okay? So that we can add and subtract like terms. That's it. So let me see some examples. Example 7 times 4 and 3 times 4 are like terms. Yes, they are we call constant terms. So they are like terms. Every real number it can be considered as constant term, and we can add and we can subtract real numbers. Therefore, 3 times 2 and 5 are not like terms. Look, 3 times 2 and 5x, or x times 5. 3 times 2 is 6, but 5x, there is x, a variable x. So this is a constant term. This is a polynomial of degree 1. So they are not like terms. Okay, the degree of the sum of two polynomial is less than or equal to the degree of the polynomial with higher degree. Yeah. The degree of the sum of two polynomial is less than or equal to the degree of the polynomial with higher degree. ሁለት ፖሊኖሚያሎችን f of x and g of x ስንደምር ዲግሪያቸው ከሁለቱ ዲግሪ ከኤፍ ወይም ደግሞ ከጂ ዲግሪ ያነሰ ወይም እኩል የሆነ ነው የምናገኘው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ዲግሪው ኢኳል ኦር ሌስ ዛን ኦር ኢኳል ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ምክንያቱም ሊቀናነስ ይችላል። the highest ዲግሪው ተቀናንሶ ኢሊሚኔት ሊያደርግ ይችላል። ኦልራይት ሶ ኤግዛምፕል ስናይ በጣም ሲምፕል ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኤኒዌይስ the sum of f and g, the degree of f, the sum of f and g is less than or equal to degree of f or degree of g. Let f and g be two polynomials, then f plus g is sum of two polynomials. Yes, f plus g is the sum of two polynomials, and f minus g is the difference of two polynomials. Question, f of x is given, g of x is given. F of x is a degree 3 polynomial function, and g of x is also degree 3 polynomial function. Therefore, their sum, the degree of f plus g is less than or equal to 3 ይሆናል ማለት less than or equal to 3 ዲግሪያቸው 3 ስለሆነ ሁለቱ የድምራቸው ዲግሪ ደግሞ 3 ወይም ከዛ በታች ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። ሊዲንግ ተርሙ እርስ በርሱ የሚጣፋ ከሆነ የሚቀጥለውን ዲግሪ ይዛል። ዲግሪ 2 or degree 1 or constant term ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። Okay, good. Now we are asked to find f plus g and the degree of f plus g. All right, look, f plus g, f plus g, f of x plus g of x, which is equal to what is f of x? F of x is 4x cubed. 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1 plus g of x, where g of x is 4x cubed plus x squared minus 1. Okay, this is f and this is g. Okay, the sum of the two functions. Now, what is the first step is collecting like terms. That means 4x cubed plus 4x cubed minus 2x square plus x square plus 1 minus 1, okay, which is equal to 4x cubed plus 4x cubed, 4 plus 4, 8. 8x cubed minus 2x square plus x square minus x square, okay. 1 minus 1 is 0 or plus 0. So 8x cubed minus x square is the sum of the two functions, okay. So the degree of, look, degree of f plus g is 3, okay. Degree is, it is a degree 3. That means the degree of f plus g is the degree of f, or the degree of g, because the degree of f is 3 and the degree of g is 3. The sum is again 3. The sum of the two function, the degree of the sum of the two function is also 3. It happens ከf degree ወይም ከg degree መብለጥ አይችልም ነው፣ ወይም ደግሞ ማክሲመም ዲግሪያችን የኤፍን ወይም የጂን ነው የሚይዘው ማለት ነው። ከዛ በታችም ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ኔክስት f minus g. f minus g and the degree of f minus g. Okay, f minus g of x, which is equal to f of x minus g of x. Okay, f of x minus g of x. What is f of x? 4x cubed, 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1 is f plus g of x. Not plus, it is minus. Yes, minus g of x. We are asked to find the difference of the two functions. Minus, but you need to have open bracket. Minus በምናደርግበት ጊዜ ኦፕን f of x ከጻፍን በኋላ ማይነስ ኦፕን ብራኬት፣ ምክንያቱም ይሄ ማይነሱ ሁሉንም የg ተርሞች ስለሚያባዛ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሶ what is g of x? 4x cubed plus x square minus 1, which is equal to 4x cubed minus 2x square plus 1. አሁን ይሄኛው ስቴፕ ምንድነው የምናደርግ? በኔጌቲቭ እያንዳንዱን ተርም በኔጌቲቭ እናበዛለን። 4x cubedን x square እና minus 1ን በኔጌቲቭ 1 ስናባዛ minus 4x cubed is 4x cubed minus x square minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1, okay, plus 1. Now collecting like terms, that means 4x cubed minus 4x cubed minus 2x square minus x square plus 1 plus 1. እሺ ተማሪዎች የዚህን ክፍል ሙሉ ክፍል ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ ዌብሳይታችን ላይ ወይም ደግሞ የሞባይል አፕሊኬሽናችሁ ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ።